Hello guys, today we are going to be trying the Jarritos gummies. So we have a couple different flavors. We got mango, mandarina, pineapple, limon, tamarindo, and fruit punch. We're gonna taste them and we're gonna rate them today. I have them in order, like they have them in the picture. So we're gonna go one by one, taste it and rate it. That's the mango. I give it a 7 out of 10. This one was mandarina. I give it a 8 out of 10. It was better than the mango. That one was pineapple. Didn't have that much flavor, but at the end it did. So I give it 7.5 out of 10. Next is limon. Limon had more of a kick. So for that reason, I give it 8.5. So tamarindo's next. Has pretty good taste. I'll give it a 7 out of 10. So the last one is fruit punch. Doesn't have that much flavor, but still good. So I give it a 6 out of 10.